51 new COVID cases were reported in the country. In a first ever, 80 local youth enrolled themselves in the Central Reserve Paramilitary Force during the recruitment process held at the 67th Battalion CRPF camp at Polo Ground, Shillong. According to officials of the CRPF, this was possible due to the awareness campaigns that were held at various districts, encouraging the local youths to participate. Over 200 youths participated in the recruitment process, and out of it, over 80 are said to belong to the Khasi and Jaintia tribes of Meghalaya. It was also informed that unlike yesteryears, the participation of local youth for recruitment in paramilitary forces is ever growing.
It's a matter of extreme happiness for all of us that this time we took up this undertaking for getting people recruited into our central armed police forces, and we've been holding multiple sessions with communities across the state, where the idea was to get more candidates from the state into our services.
Minister in charge